Alright, so this is estimating instantaneous rate of change. So we have a problem. A rocket is fired into the air at a speed at which it is traveling is modeled by f of t is equal to 24t cubed. Estimate the instantaneous rate of change when t is equal to 5 seconds. So what we want to do is we want to find out what t1 is and then what t2 is. And then we want to find out what y1 is and y2 is, because we are using y2 minus y1 over t2 minus t1. And then so to get t1 we'd put 24/5 cubed, which is equal to 3000. And then to get t2, what we'd do is we'd have 24 times 5.00001 cubed. So what we're essentially doing when we're estimating it, we're just trying to get the y2 and y1 and then y2 and y1. And I mean t2 and t2 as close as possible, but have t2 and y2 just slightly bigger, and then this number is equal to 3000.0018, and then for this number we would have actually, right now I screwed up. This is actually, I messed this up. This is actually y1 and this is y2, and this would be t1 and this would be t2. And then t1 would simply just be 5, and then t2 would be 5.00001. And then so once we have that, we would just simply have y2 over y minus y1 over t2 minus t1, which would be 3000.0018 minus 3000 over 5.00001 minus 5. And then on this part you're probably going to want to use a calculator, and I already know that it would equal 1,800, and I put this in feet per second, so it would be feet per second.